How y'all doing? My name is Ryan Brown. I am the owner of Impeccable Commercial Cleaning here in Louisiana and to be franchised in other states. I wanted to come for 1 second and tell Penstar and Richard I really appreciate all the time and effort that you've put toward repairing my credit after all that's transpired in my life. Just in 1 month, he deleted a plethora of things I thought was never even imaginable to be able to delete. I was shocked. Couldn't even speak. It's really refreshing knowing that you have a company that you put your money toward, that you get the effort that you put in. And I really appreciate Richard. I really appreciate his company. They're very efficient on contact you, efficient on getting the job done. I've spent over $3,000 or more with other companies with credit repair just to have nothing done, wasting my money and my time. And right now in this day and age, you don't need bad credit, you don't need bad reputation, and you don't need bad trust with people. And I really appreciate Richard that I had the intuition to go with him and his company. If you have a doubt of getting somebody to repair your credit and you think Richard should not be the one, think otherwise, because I don't play, I don't lie about my business. As you can see, I'm the company owner and I got to get stuff done. So shout out to Richard, to his clientele, to his people. Appreciate y'all. The sky's the limit.